Halika na kayo. Ngayon na kayo. Japanese food. Yan po ay Paseo Garden. Paseo Garden. Ito. Ang cute ng hamburger. Hey guys, bread. Pizza. Ah, kore kara tsukurun desu ka? Ah. Anong kakainin mo, Mel? Salads. Dress. Oh, yan, masarap yan.
Try mo na?
Oh, carrots dressing. Masarap yan, Mel.
Kawa na.
Oh, kuha lang ako ng ano. Dessert. Sarap. Yan, yum, 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 yum. Yan. Ano sa'yo, Win? Yan ang rice. Chahan.
This is the Chinese area.
Yes. Chinese food. We have a Chinese food, man. Spicy. Yan po, guys. Rice. Looks like Mexican rice. Regular rice.